everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. So today I thought I'd take you along with me while I make some keto maple pancakes. Now before I get started, let me just explain this. I am not an expert in making keto pancakes, so don't talk about me when you see my pancakes looking crazy or anything like that. I can make regular pancakes just like that, but keto pancakes is something different. Anyhow, let me tell you all that you will need. You'll need 2 eggs. You'll need 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. You'll need 1 cup of almond flour. You will need 3 tablespoons of any type of milk of your choice, vanilla extract and maple extract. You'll need a teaspoon of baking powder. I think that's about all that you need. Now for me, I am using hazelnut sugar-free creamer because I want mine to kind of taste like a Snickers. So I find that if I use hazelnut creamer with vanilla extract and maple extract, it give it like, I don't know if you ever ate from McDonald's in your life, but it gives you that McGriddle taste that McDonald's have. And normally I don't like when you can taste the egg inside of a baking dish, like if you're baking cookies or you're making pancakes or cake and you can taste the egg. I normally don't like that. Oh, I almost forgot, you need monk fruit sweetener or some type of sweetener in it. In this recipe, I can taste the egg, but that's what put me in the mind frame of a McGriddle, because when you eat a McGriddle, it has this flavoring, and then you eat it with, of course, eggs and some type of meat and some type of cheese. So you could make these in McGriddle sizes, or you could put them like on a waffle pan and kind of make it that way, and then put your meat and cheese in it. I wouldn't say put an egg in it because you can taste the egg from this. It's so good. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna stop running my mouth. Y'all go ahead and watch this video. All right, you guys, remember I said how you have to put 3 tablespoons of milk. So for me, because I'm using this creamer, I am only going to do 2 tablespoons of this creamer and then 1 tablespoon of water. I'm sorry, that was Big Girl in the background as you heard her barking. So I know it looked like I put 4 tablespoons in there, but that is because this is a half a tablespoon. I couldn't find my 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. That's terrible, ain't it? But anyway, life goes on, so let's move right along. All right, you guys, so I do need to let you know, because we use the hazelnut sugar-free creamer, these pancakes take a little bit longer to cook. So you have to turn your burner down like kind of like medium high, not completely on high, but like medium on high, and wait till a few bubbles start to form. Now when you go to flip the pancake over, sometimes it may stick. That's why you saw me put the extra butter in there. Like that one over there is sticking, so I'm not going to touch that yet. I'm going to do this bigger one and I'm gonna flip it. But sometimes these things will break apart. They will do all types of stuff because that hazelnut creamer is thick, but that turns out perfect. guys, as you can see, I am all done cooking. These pancakes turned out so good, and as you notice, I hope you took note that it is not hard to cook this. These were so good. I just topped them with the sugar-free caramel syrup that I got from off of Amazon. That is actually pretty good. I wish I had some whipped cream, because I would throw some on top, because that would really make it even better. All right, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.